Mobile detailing is attractive because the first shop can fit inside a van. You bring the service to the customer, avoid a retail lease, and can start with skill, equipment, insurance, and a reliable vehicle. The trap is measuring only hands-on time. A 2-hour detail can consume 4 hours after driving, parking, setup, customer handoff, cleanup, payment, photos, and the gap before the next appointment. That makes route density more valuable than a large service area. 3 jobs in one office park can outperform 3 higher-priced jobs scattered across opposite sides of a city. Price the day, not just the car. Vehicle condition, pet hair, stains, size, paint correction, water access, shade, and customer expectations can change labor dramatically before the first towel touches the vehicle. Photos and intake questions reduce surprises. The quote should define what is included, what counts as excessive condition, and what result is realistic. Overpromising a neglected interior creates conflict and unpaid labor. Weather is capacity. Rain, extreme heat, freezing temperatures, wind, and direct sun can cancel work or damage quality. Covered commercial accounts or access to a small controlled bay can stabilize the calendar. Water rules matter too. Soap and contaminated wash water may not belong in a storm drain. Containment mats, reclamation, rinseless processes, and local requirements should be designed before a property manager asks. Recurring accounts change the model. Fleet vehicles, apartment communities, dealerships, office campuses, and maintenance plans can reduce customer acquisition and cluster work, though they often negotiate lower prices. Upsells work only when skill supports them. Coatings, correction, odor treatment, and specialty interiors can raise the ticket, but mistakes create rework, liability, and a damaged reputation. Hiring is difficult because quality is visible in every panel and crevice. A checklist, lighting standard, final inspection, and before and after evidence help turn personal craftsmanship into a repeatable service. Track revenue per working hour, travel minutes, setup time, chemical and towel cost, rework, weather cancellations, and repeat bookings. A full calendar can still hide too much unpaid movement. The lean starting plan is one profitable service menu, one compact territory, honest condition pricing, and a deliberate path to recurring clustered work. The van saves rent only if the route does not consume the savings.